Showing sarcasm and irony in writing. First, a quick reminder that emphasis is placing stress or importance on a certain word or phrase. Sarcasm is mocking or ironic language intended to convey scorn or insult, usually in a humorous way. And irony is when you have a meaning, intention, or attitude opposite of what's actually being said. Now we're going to go over the answers from the worksheet you did in class. So number 1 says the cafeteria serves real beef, and real is in quotation marks. So is it A, the speaker is emphasizing how real the cafeteria's beef is, or B, this is sarcastic and the meat served in the cafeteria is not real beef? The answer is B, this is sarcastic, so the meat served in the cafeteria is not real beef. Number 2 says employees must wash hands, and must is italicized. So is it A, the speaker is emphasizing how important it is that all employees wash their hands, or B, this is sarcastic and employees don't really have to wash their hands? This is not sarcastic, so the correct answer is A, the speaker is just emphasizing how important it is that all employees wash their hands. Number 3 says make sure you study for the test tomorrow, and study is underlined, so is it A, that it's emphasizing it, or B, it's sarcastic and you don't really need to study? The correct answer is A, the speaker is emphasizing how important it is to prepare for the test. Number 4 says that outfit is very stylish, don't you think? So it's either A, that the speaker genuinely thinks the outfit is fashionable, or B, this is sarcastic and the speaker doesn't really think the outfit is stylish. This is sarcastic, so the correct answer here would be B. And number 5 says, come play with the cutest puppies at the animal shelter. So the speaker is either emphasizing how cute the puppies are, or this is sarcastic and the speaker does not think the puppies are that cute. In this case, the writer is putting emphasis on the word cutest, so the correct answer is A, and the speaker is emphasizing how cute the puppies are. So how can you tell the difference, especially when there's no context given? You may have noticed a pattern that when showing emphasis, writers use bold, underline, or italics, but when showing sarcasm or irony, writers use quotation marks. These quotation marks go around a word or a phrase, but it doesn't include when it goes around direct quotes or short titles of something that would already have quotation marks around it. So now we're going to practice using quotation marks to indicate sarcasm. So we're going to look at each of the following sentences and decide whether it is sarcastic or not. So number 1 says, Catherine said, Emily's dog is so cute. This is not sarcastic. There are quotation marks, but it's only because it's a direct quote. Number 2 says, she forgot to bring her wallet. This one is sarcastic, and the quotations around the word forgot show that she purposefully did not bring her wallet. Number 3 says, Hannah is always late. And since the word always is written in italics, this just shows emphasis, so it's not actually being sarcastic. Number 4 says, have you heard Firework by Katy Perry? This one does have quotation marks, but it's just because it's the title of the song, so it's not sarcastic. And finally, number 5 says, Bob is a wonderful friend. Since the word wonderful is underlined, it just shows emphasis and it's not being sarcastic. If the word wonderful were written in quotation marks, then it could be showing sarcasm. But since we have no context, we'll just assume that it's not being sarcastic. So a few things to remember. Use context clues when you can, but when there are no context clues given, generally to show emphasis, you use bold, italics, or underlines. And in order to show sarcasm or irony, you use quotation marks. Just remember that quotation marks that are around direct quotes or short titles do not indicate sarcasm or irony.